Hi YouTube, it is evening. I have been home alone all day and I've been cleaning and doing stuff, and Michael had Tyrion, so that's why we haven't vlogged anything today. Yeah, and now he's finally at home again and I missed him and he's happy and in a good mood. So hopefully he will stay in a good mood for a little while. So then he needs a nap and some dinner, and then you're going to bed. So there probably won't be a lot more footage from today, depending on what we do and what kind of mood he's in. I know. You're chewing on your toothbrush? That's good. That's a good start. Yeah. And there's a cat over there. It's Sushi. Yeah, it's Sushi. Is she talking to you? Yeah. You're making a lot of noises today. Has it been a boring day with your daddy? Where are you going? Where are you going? Hi. What did you do? What did you do? Oh, it's so dark here. Let's see, maybe if we turn this lamp on. Oh, that's a bit better. Hi. I know you don't like being on your tummy. Guess you'll just have to turn around then. Mommy missed you. Hi. Hi, baby boy. You don't like being on your back either. No, not the thumb. Look, a toothbrush. A toothbrush. Yeah. Much better. No. No camera for you. No. Sushi.